Good morning, kids. I've got a little scavenger hunt and things for you to do around the house today. We're going to talk about what we need in order to have a good severe weather safety kit in your basement ready to go in the event of a tornado. So we're going to actually make a list together. One of the important things you want to make sure you have is 1 gallon of water per person in your household. That water is obviously essential to keep your family hydrated. If you did happen to get stuck in the basement for a long amount of time, some of the other things, and come a little closer here, my hubby's taking the video for us today. A first aid kit, essential to have as well. And these you can buy at sporting goods stores, you can buy them online. They've got all the essentials. If you were to get injured in the event of a tornado hitting your house, you've got that ready to go. You also want to make sure that you've got a flashlight. Obviously to keep illuminated, to keep spirits up if you're stuck down there as well, but different types of flashlights are out there and available. So we've got water, we've got flashlights, and the first aid kit. On top of that, you want to have food. Yeah, you get stuck down there, you want non-perishable food items, so nothing that would require refrigeration. Can of food. It also means you're going to need a can opener. Now, thankfully, a lot of the cans out there now have that little pull tab, so it does make it easier, but check and see what you have. But other non-perishables are things like goldfish and crackers. Breakfast bars are fantastic. They have a lot of energy and sugar in them, so definitely have those on hand. But something else besides the food, you want to make sure you have a cell phone on hand, backup batteries to power that, not to mention a weather radio. And then one of the new things out that a lot of professionals are asking that you add to your severe weather kit, and we talked about this in a Weather 101 back in February, is having a helmet that you literally put on as the tornado sirens are going off, protect you and the family. This basically just gives you an extra layer of protection in the event that your house would be hit. So I want to know if you guys in your house, if you can find all of these items, and let me know what additional items that you think would be beneficial for you and your family. I was even thinking about the fact that, we've got little kids and they get pretty messy. What if there's an accident? You'd want to make sure even to have wipes down in your basket, because if you are stuck for a while, nature will call. So you may want to have wipes or a change of clothing in there. But create your own list, and you can either post it below, post a video or a picture of the items that you find in your house, and I'll put this full list out there as well. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the scavenger hunt.